Hello everyone, on this video we're gonna look at how you answer questions on Box and Whisker. With maths literacy, it's very important to read the statement that they've given to you.
Hold on, let me read it first.
Understand it first before you start looking at the questions. We're gonna do that now. Alright, the question says, Marius wants to buy a new laptop. He studies the available data for the 3 most popular brands of laptops sold in South Africa. The Box and Whisker plot below shows in percentage. That's very important. When you give your answer, you must give them in percentage. The spread of the market share of the Samsung, Apple, and Huawei laptop brand from the 4 quarters in 2019, the 4th quarter in 2019 to the 3rd quarter in 2020. So there are the 3 brands and there are the Box and Whisker for the 3 brands. So when you're looking at the Box and Whisker, the Huawei one, the smaller line is the minimum and the line here at the end is the maximum. So for Huawei, the minimum shares was 18.8. And this one is the first quartile, that one is the second quartile or the median, and the 22.85 is the third quartile or the 75 percentile, and the 23.5 is the maximum for the Huawei. And then the same thing with the Samsung. Now what you need to remember is that let's look at Apple. You see the third quartile and the maximum, the line is drawn and it's longer compared to that one. It does not mean you have more data here than there. No, the data is 25% in the first quartile, 25% in the second quartile, 25% in the third quartile, and 25% in the fourth quartile. What makes a line to be longer compared to that one is that the data is more spread, but it is 25% for every quartile. Now the question says, use the Box and Whisker plot above to answer the following questions. 5.2.1a, write down the name of the most popular laptop brand. So the most popular laptop brand will be the one with the highest percentage of shares being sold. So that will be that one. Their maximum is 23%. It's higher compared to everyone else. So the answer for 5.2.1a will be Huawei. Now 5.2.1b, they say hence. When they say hence, they say the answer that you've used before, use it to find the answer for this question. They say hence, write down the 50th percentile of the brand indicated in question 5.2.1. So in question 5.2.1, we indicated this Huawei. So the 50th percentile is the median, is the middle one. So the answer is 21.5%. So our answer for 5.2.1b, it will be 21.5%. That's the 50th percentile. 5.2.2, they ask us to calculate the interquartile range IQR of the Samsung brand. Very important, you need to read properly. The first 2 questions we're answering with the Huawei. This question, they're telling you specifically to use the Samsung and find the interquartile range. So 5.2.2, the interquartile range is equals to Q3 minus Q1. So Q3, let's go to the graph. The Q3 is the maximum quartile, which in this question is 18.75. And Q1, this is Q2. Q1 is 15.7%. So you have 18.75 minus 15.7. And then use your calculator to calculate that. 18.75 minus 15.7, and your answer will be 3.05. So how do you get your marks? You get 1 mark for writing the correct formula, the other mark for writing the correct values for Q3 and Q1, and then the 4th mark is for the correct answer. So this is how you get the marks. They are really not that difficult. Now 5.2.3, they say a data analyst claims that 75% of the data set of Apple was less than 16%. So now they're asking us with this Box and Whisker, the Apple one. They say the analyst says that the 75% is Q3. 75% of Apple was less than 16%. The 75% of Apple is 15.95. So it means the analyst was correct. So let's see how we write that answer. So you write it like this. Q3 is at 15.95%, which includes the 75% of the data set. You remember the analyst said is less than, the Q3 is less than 16%. The Q3 is the 75%. They're actually asking you in this question that you do know that Q3 is 75%. So the statement is valid. So this question has 2 marks. For writing that, you get 2 marks, and for saying that the statement is valid, you get another mark. When you're studying, especially maths elite, you need to be calmed down. Watch this channel for music, the music that will soothe you, that will calm you down. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching.